दोबारा से
हाँ।
चलो पासपोर्ट से ऑन होगा।
हाँ राइट।
ठीक है, देन उसके बाद ये पार्किंग मोड है। अभी हैंडल अनलॉक हुआ है। इट्स अ सेफ्टी फीचर। आफ्टर रिमूविंग द स्टैंड ऑल्सो वी आर इन अ पार्किंग मोड, so that if anyone gives a throttle it is not on. So for on we have to push the brake
ब्रेक और उसके बाद फिर ऑन हो जाएगी।
and then start button is
हाँ
on. So now it's on.
ठीक है।
Now if we give the throttle the bike will move.
ठीक है।
Now it has a reverse feature also. Now it's a reverse mode.
ओके।
I have to put the throttle in a reverse direction, so it will go
ओके
back.
नाइस।
Again press the same button. Now it's in a normal mode, front mode. This is are the two disc brakes
हाँ
and these are the lights.
ठीक है।
Two lights you can come in front to see, and they are DRLs also.
और एक चार्ज में कितना वो दे देती है?
180 kilometer.
ठीक है। और चार्ज होने में कितना टाइम लेती है?
6.5 hours.
ओके। और
Full
नॉर्मल
charge.
नॉर्मल घर से ही मतलब अभी?
हाँ जी, that's the best part.
हाँ
It
ठीक
has
है।
a charger, 5 meter cord. It's a long distance charger, and it can be plugged into any normal socket in your house.
ठीक है।
Like I charge from here only,
हाँ ओके।
in which we can charge a mobile in
मोबाइल
the same socket.
ठीक है।
And it usually takes 3 to 4 units. That approximately costs you 15 to 20 rupees.
ओके। 15 to 20 रुपीज़ में ऑलमोस्ट 180 किलोमीटर्स।
Yep. And it has 4 modes. Let me show you. These are the 4 modes: Eco mode, normal, sport, and hyper. It has a top speed of 116 kilometer, and it usually goes from 0 to 50 in you can say 3 seconds to 4 seconds. Easily you can pick up. It has a very good pickup, and brakes are also very good. It has a very broad tire, so less skid is there in scooter while turning. Yeah, huge
स्पेस ओके। ऑलमोst 2 helmets but normal.
Yeah, it's a 36 liter,
boot space. Nice.
so we can keep a lot of things. You can keep all the groceries.
Nice. हाँ
And it's all sensor protection
nice.
from close. It can be open and closed through the app also.
हाँ
And we have a party feature also. Let me
Okay.
show you. That is also a very plus point of it.
जो ब्लूटूथ से कनेक्ट हो जाता है नॉर्मली।
No, phone is connected.
Okay.
All call and features, everything will be displayed. You can receive the call from this button and disconnect from this button. And these are the mode buttons.
ओके।
These are the indicators right in there.
ओके स्पीकर इसी के अंदर है सारे।
Yep, they are
इधर ना उधर।
inbuilt
इस बार
speakers.
टाटा IPL सिर्फ जियो सिनेमा पर।
ओह नाइस। तो डीएलएस भी साथ में होंगे उसके साथ।
With the beats. It has a very huge.
नाइस।
You can go and enjoy the disco party.
कहीं भी रास्ते में खड़े करके अपने दोस्तों के
Yes.
साथ।
Yes. So that's all it's all about. It's a good bike. It's a very costly one,
हाँ
but lesser than Ather. And I think more feature and more comfortable than
और
Ather.
इसकी सर्विस वगैरह कैसे है फिर?
सब कुछ फ्री है। आप जब भी कुछ प्रॉब्लम आएगी आप सर्विस सेंटर जाएंगे and you can just
और इनकी सर्विस सेंटर इजीली अवेलेबल है?
हाँ, हर जगह ओला के इलेक्ट्रिक सर्विस सेंटर
ओके।
है। I have a nearby around 1 kilometer far from
अच्छा
here.
ठीक है।
So I can call them also for pick and drop, and I can give them also. I can book online complaint also, and so it's all about good network system.
और बाकी वो तो
And everything is free of cost. I have
Okay.
a 3 years of warranty of the
Okay.
scooter and battery also. So if there is any kind of malfunction or any kind of thing where I require, it will be changed free of cost.
और बाकी OT अपडेट वगैरह हो जाते हैं सॉफ्टवेयर में?
Yep, it's an updated. I have a it has an initial system. We can go for the navigation also. Like this is my hospital's
ओके।
address. So it has a inbuilt SIM to which
Okay.
the GPS is connected,
हाँ
and I can go for it. It's a map my India. It's not
ओके
Google Maps.
ओके इट्स माय आइडिया ओके।
Yeah. So we can just Google GPS also.
ओके
It has a
नाइस।
tracking system also. If your scooter gets wrecked or something, Ola can also track it, or my app also can track
ओके नाइस
it. So safety wise, it's a very good one.
नाइस।